let me give you guys a walk around of this GT63S. It has the performance exhaust system, as you see right here, quad exhaust tailpipes, finish in mate, the retractable rear fixed wing, and these are the carbon ceramic brakes. They look amazing. Multi-beam LED lights, Panamera grille at the front with the AMG power domes, and this is the dream car. Carbon ceramic brakes. You can see they have a black finish as well, and this thing handles beautifully. Take a peek at the rear. All right, set it on drive. Should turn off the AC actually.
Turn off or on?
Lower it down a little bit. Ooh. It's amazing. That's the power of the V8. Sounds amazing. I'm gonna go right through here gently because. So another cool feature, you have head-up display. You can see your revs, miles per hour, and all the good bells and whistles. It actually roars, quite literally. There is no better car than this GT63S. Handles pretty well. There is zero understeer.
It's almost something you have to drive to really appreciate.
I guess there's no time to go here. 10 minutes. Wow. And then with the tinted windows, kind of makes it interesting for visibility. You have to be aware of your surroundings. Dynamic select options. Right now it's on Sport Plus, which are your drive modes. You have Sport, Comfort, individual mode. Set it back to Sport Plus. Wow, that thing sounds amazing. Just a wing.
Yeah, the rear windows inside.
I'll let you take it back so we can do it better. Wow, this thing sounds incredible. Oh my goodness. Even the turning feels very interesting because of the
all-wheel steering really gives you a different feel.
Oh, so if you're looking for a certified pre-owned GT63S, you should get this one.
Great spec.
Handles very well as well. I love the interior.
Down.
Actually down is, I mean, just a little bit. I'm sure I'll get the
broken in.
Wow, yeah. So no one is gonna give you crap about driving. Looks amazing. Still has the Alcantara.
Yeah, I really like this one.
On the Performance.
You have to maintain it though, or it does this.
Can you replace the Alcantara? Is it an option?
You can have it re-stitched, but all you need to do is clean it. Once you clean it,
yeah,
it looks like this. It looks new. It's just dirty. Get
like is this black piano right here. It's a fingerprint magnet and scratch. So carbon fiber is a $2,000 option, right? Or probably $28.95. Yeah.
Really cool.
Oh, the matte carbon fiber is about, I think, almost 4,000.
Yeah,
I think it's like
more.
$39.50. So what that means, guys, is that you have carbon fiber all over, but it's finishing mate. Sounds amazing.
Yeah.
The sun though. So once it's broken in, what does that mean?
Well, the braking period is just important to not drive it too hard.
Yeah.
The forged pistons, it likes to be warmed up, but now that it's broken in, warmed up, that allows you to put it into drift mode, which is the rear wheel drive.
Yeah.
Which is awesome. It's so easy to control in this car.
And it also has a rear axle steering wheel on this one,
which really allows you to do stuff like this. And tires just don't even chirp.
Yeah, I mean,
It just handles so well.
that sounds phenomenal though. They just grip.
Job stopping.
I should take you for a drive right now.